Hi guys. Today's book recommendation is for a graphic novel I checked out from my Hoopla app. It is called The Oracle Code. You can kind of see it there. I did already return it because I didn't realize that I was going to do a recommendation for it. But the more I thought about it, the more I decided that I do want to share it with you guys. This graphic novel follows Barbara Gordon after she is in an accident that takes away the use of her legs. And she goes into this facility in Gotham that is meant to rehab teenagers and kids like her who have had some sort of thing happen to them. And so she meets some other kids there. One little girl in particular is really kind of creepy. She wanders the halls at night. She comes into Barbara's room, but it leads to a mystery. And Barbara, who is kind of by trade a computer hacker, decides that she's going to start looking into it and try to find out what goes on. The little girl disappears. There's no trace and no records of them. And as she tries to reach out to some of her old friends and relies on the help of her new friends, she works on solving this mystery. So if you like the graphic novels that go along with the DC world of Batman and Batgirl and all of those characters, I do think that you'll really enjoy The Oracle Code. I really liked it. It was kind of a different version of Barbara Gordon, who, if you don't know, secret identity about to be spoiled here, she's traditionally Batgirl. And so I liked this different side of her. I like that it brought her into a new century where she's a computer hacker and just gave her a little bit of a different persona for me. So check it out on Hoopla, you guys. Their app is really cool for reading graphic novels. I really love it, and I will see you guys soon. Enjoy!